The Hamilton Beach 11 cubic foot upright freezer model provides all the extra food storage space that you'll need. When looking for the best upright freezer for garage storage, the Hamilton Beach 11 cubic foot model has a lot to offer. For starters, the interior comes with 7 drawers for easy organization of your food items. This really sets the Hamilton Beach upright freezer with drawers apart, whereas other upright freezers may not have as much shelving flexibility. The Hamilton upright freezer also has an exchangeable door that can go on the left or right side. Additionally, the bottom has adjustable feet, which can come in handy for upright freezers in garages with uneven flooring. We especially like the large capacity of the Hamilton Beach 11 cubic foot upright freezer. It's perfect not only for garages, but for basements or dorms. Hamilton Beach made it easy to monitor the temperature with interior adjustable thermostat. The range is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Of note, this Hamilton Beach upright freezer is a manual defrost model. Last but not least, the Hamilton Beach 11 cubic foot upright freezer has a 1-year warranty for defects in material and workmanship. The pros are it's got a large 11 cubic foot capacity. It uses unique interior storage drawers, and it's got a reversible door. The cons are it uses manual defrost, and the door is difficult to switch from left to right.